Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, guys. In our lesson number 2, we created 2D wall plan, grids, dimensions, styles. We adjusted dimension style. We inserted the furniture inside our drawing. We insert kitchen appliances and we adjust textiles. Approximately, we completed our 2D drawing. Now in our lesson number 3 we will convert these 2D walls into 3D. First of all, there is little explanation. 2D means 2 dimensions, any length and width, and when you want to convert anything into 3D it means 3 dimension, so then height will be added inside. So keep your base file on one place and make a copy, as I make one copy here. And as I told before, every time you should need to go to the layers and create a specific layer for specific work. So now we are moving from 2D to 3D drawing. So I created one drawing here. I created one layer which is 3D walls here. Now what I will do, I will turn off all other layers because I already converted my 2D walls, these 2D wall lines. I take these walls, I copy it here and I change the layer from 2D walls to 3D walls. Now this plan already changing. To change the layer, just you can select the line, just you can select this line and go to here, layer, it's 3D wall. You can change it into any other, but I need this time 3D wall, so I keep it 3D walls. Now I will turn off all layers that I don't need now. So it means I need to turn off all the layers except 3D wall. So this all now turn off. Before converting it into a 3D, you need to know one thing. This line should be joined with each other. It should not be separate lines. So this convert this all. To join the line, you can enter J. I will do one for you. To explode, you can enter X. Enter. So see, now this separate line. So this separate line, it will convert into 3D, but it will not make you a 3D wall. This will just like one layer. So make J enter to join this wall. Select all the walls that you want to join together, all the lines, sorry, to join together. So I'm selecting all lines. Now I selected full parameter. I'll right click and now select, see, it's joined. Same do inside. This should be full line or box. Now you can change it into, this view is 3D to 2D view. You can change it into the 3D view. In 2D view we can see only 2 dimensions, and if even there is third dimension we can see it. Now I will change it from here, either southeast or southwest or northeast or northwest, or here is 3D isometric box. I can click on any corner, see, it's changing. Now change into the 3D. Now I will show you how to make these 3D walls. To make the 3D walls, just convert AutoCAD window from AutoCAD Classic to 3D modeling. Even if you will not convert, you can make 3D walls, but it will show you all 3D toolbox. 3D toolbar, this full 3D toolbar is here, in whom you have this left corner, left upper corner, this 3D, this extrude command. Either you can take it from here or enter EXT from keyboard and press enter. Select outer boundary and select inner boundaries and press enter. Then see, now here you can give one specific height. Whatever the height is mentioned in your drawing, you can give it, or as per the designer, as per the architect. I will give here 10 feet. Now this is our solid box. Now this full drawing, it's converted into 3D drawing. This is our 3D drawing. Now I will show you in realistic shaded view. See now, one problem is here, these walls and even inner space, we need inside space. Rooms should be empty, it will not fill with anything. So what I will do, I will take it in conceptual, or even if you want to see more clear, you can take it into the X-ray. See, now I will deduct the inside areas. I will subtract. So for this you can use subtract command, which is here, command bars, or you can press SU, you can press SU enter, select outer boundary, right click, select inner boundary, all inner boundaries, and right click. Now you can see our inner space, it's empty now. You can rotate by orbit and see, it's here now. Now our 3D walls are completed fully, and now to go inside the house we need doors and windows. Doors and windows we will make in another video, but today we'll make openings for doors and windows. So for to make the opening, we will convert it into the top view. We'll rotate it into the top view. Then in top view we will turn on our doors and windows layers. Door layer should be turned on, and window layer should be turned on back, and ventilator layer should be turned on. I'll keep door layer front layer now. This will I'll change it into the 2D wireframe. I'll take rectangle from here, or you can enter REC. Just do one thing, instead of making confusion, turn off your 3D walls to create 3D wall layer. It's here, turn off this one, just to make the work easy. Now I can create it here because this is our door. So door width is because our walls are 6 inch, you can check it DI enter, or you can check by dimension also. See, it's exactly 6 inch, so no issue. I can take this rectangle here, I can make for this window also, because this is not window layer, but we can change it later. I'll show you how. Make rectangle immediately for all. I will make all rectangles so that we can extrude this all. That's completed here. Our rectangles for windows, I'll change windows into window layer. Here we can change window. Okay, for window even we can make 3D window, but now we are not making 3D windows, we are just making openings in the wall, and it will convert it, it will be the part of wall. So I'll change ventilator into ventilator. This here ventilator. Now doors and windows frames are completed. We can turn on 3D walls back here. Now we can go back to the isometric view, and here this window is actually, it's on the top. We can move it back and move it down. No, this window is exact the place, this is in behind wall, sorry. So our windows, our walls, and our windows and doors are exactly in their on their places. We can extrude, ext enter, we can extrude the places so that we can get the opening boxes. This is very simple procedure. we cannot select all, sorry, because our height is not same for windows and doors. So we'll select this time only doors, and we'll keep the door height is 7 feet as general, or you can increase it or decrease it as per your drawing or requirement. I'll keep the window 4 feet height for window and 2 feet height for ventilator. I will shift these windows above to make it level with the windows and ventilator. I will shift it above to make it level with the door. So enter, select windows, take the pick base point and keep the cursor above and the direction where you want to move your window. So we want to reach up to the level of 7 feet because our door height is 7 feet, our window height is 4 feet, so we'll keep the space from bottom 3 feet. Now our window is level with the door. Now we can shift this ventilator, we'll move the cursor in Z position, then we'll give it 5 feet because our ventilator is 2 feet. So now we are all windows, ventilators, doors, all openings are ready. We can just see here in realistic or conceptual view our openings are ready. Now we can just deduct this opening size so that it will give us clear opening. To make the opening clear, I'll go to 2D wireframe. I'll enter again, I will apply the command SCU enter. I'll select 3D walls, I will right click, then I will select the opening boxes so that this area will be deducted from the walls. Right click and see it become the part of wall. Now I will change it into a realistic view, or we don't have any color, so I can take it into the conceptual, it will be more visible. And see, we get openings and now it's looking cool. After this we will make the roof in our next video, and we'll try to make some doors and windows manually. So this is our 3D wall house. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.